Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm Amina Sheikh. Today we are going to learn singular and plural nouns. The noun that names only one person, place, animal or things is called a singular noun. The noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural noun. So students, we will see some of the ways to change the noun from the singular to the plural. Add s to the singular noun. For example, table, tables, cow, cows. Add es to singular nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x. For example, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, church, churches, fox, foxes. Add es to the some singular noun ending in o. For example, potato, potatoes, zero, zeros. For example, for a few nouns ending in o, add only s. For example, kilo, kilos, studio, studios. Students, for nouns ending in y, change the y to I and then add es. For example, lady, ladies, family, families. When y comes after a vowel, simply add s. Those are the example: key, keys, day, days. For nouns ending in f or fe, change the f or fe to v and then add es. For example, wolf, wolves, wife, wives. For some nouns, change the inside vowels: man, men, goose, geese. So students, our next topic is regular and irregular plurals. Plurals that follows the normal rules of formation are called regular plurals. And students, plurals that do not follow the normal rules of formation are called irregular plurals. For example, child will not become childs but it will be children. Ship will remain ship. Ox will not become oxes but oxen. So students, nouns that have two forms, that is the singular as well as the plural, are called variable nouns. Moving on to the next is the invariable nouns. So students, nouns that have only one form, that is either singular or plural, are called invariable nouns. So students, nouns that are used only in the singular and have no plural form are called singular invariable nouns. For example, physics, news, politics. Nouns that are used only in the plural and have no singular form are called plural invariable nouns. For example, socks, jeans, scissors, spectacles, binoculars. So my dear student, I hope so you have understood this topic. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.